So area is CD line CD. PQ ट्रांसवर्सल है और ये एंगल बना M, ये N हो गया। ओके, अब इसमें है BA is parallel to DC, BA is parallel to DC, सॉरी लाइन है, अच्छा, और PQ is a ट्रांसवर्सल, PQ is a ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन। सो इसमें क्या है, एंगल PMA, एंगल PMA की गिवन है 70 डिग्री, एंगल PMA इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री गिवन है। ओके, और एंड DNM, एंगल DNM is equal to 2x plus 30 डिग्री। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से एंगल PMA is equal to BMQ, एंगल BMQ, क्लियर, BMQ, BMN, vertically opposite angles. So angle BMN plus DNM, angle DNM is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angle. So BMN is also equal to 70 degree. BMN is equal to 70 degree, and DNM is equal to 2x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So 70, after aggregating 70 and 30, it will 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. Therefore x equal to 40 degree. Then find the value of x. So here the value of x will be 40 degree. Clear? Next question. Next question, that is question number 43. A, B, C, D. AB equal to AC equal to BD. AD equal to AC equal to BD. AD equal to AC equal to BD. Okay, and BDC are collinear point, and BDC are collinear points. And angle CAD DAD is equal to 80 degree is given. Angle CAD is 80 degree. Then find DAB, angle DAB. We have to find the angle DAB equal to what? So in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to ACD, is equal to angle ACD, isosceles triangle. Angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. So angle ADC plus angle ADC plus ACD plus DAC equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So angle ADC plus ADC plus DAC equal to 180 degree. So 2ADC is equal to 180 minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. So angle ADC is equal to 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50 degree. So angle BDA is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Linear pair. So angle BDA is equal to 130 degree. So AD is equal to BD. Now in triangle ADB, angle DAC, angle DAB plus angle ABD, plus angle BDA is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So DAB plus ABD, angle DAB plus 130 equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle DAB equal to 180 minus 30, 50 degree. So angle DAB equal to 25 degree. Clear? Angle DAB equal to 25 degree. We have to find the angle DAB. So it is equal to 25. Clear? So it's time to say bye bye. Have a nice day.